श्रीनाथ बाब ह्या दिसांनी फॉर्मर TV MLA किरण कांदोळकर वेरियस पॉलिटिशनाक मेळत आसा. तो MGPक मेळ्ळो, गोवा फॉर्डाच्या हाका मेळ्ळो, फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर चेडो ताकाय मेळ्ळो. एंड ही हॅज बीन सेयींग दॅट रिजनल पार्टी इज द फोर, सो वी विल फॉर्म अ नेक्स्ट गव्हर्मेंट. हाऊ डू यू सी दिस?
See, there are two aspects of this. If you talk politically, if you analyze it, one, the BJP only could have sent him to check how rough is the sea. So it could be like, he has been, with this agenda in mind, BJP tak धाड जावपाक शकता. And with another thing, tak ek rider ha. Rider is बहुजन समाज vote लिडरशीप पड ती आनी कोणा वयता ती ब्रेक करपाक आनी आपणाको सांबाळपाक. अंडरस्टँड वॉट इज द पॉलिटिक्स. They don't want anybody from the BJP doesn't want anybody from the Bahujan Samaj to come up. That's why they plant somebody who will go and say that, let us do this, let us do that. Finally, nothing fizzles out and it goes back to the BJP. The whole idea of the BJP could be this, one point. Or second, he could be really trying to do it. Now the people are the best judges. According to me, I don't look at it as something which is to be seen for right now.
But
at least at this point of when pandemics are there and you are doing this thing, so it casts aspersions on it. When the BJP, it looks like it's trying to keep us busy with a throw idea like Parrikar kenna muntalo kuda satuka. Just an idea muntata ulaytala aj just an idea. So I think they are still following that just an idea. Although then Parrikar migilo tege idea go just thought it could be. That's my reading. I may be wrong. So I'm not an expert. I'm not a superhuman or a too big politician. I'm a basic politician. But if he's sincere, then all parties should join together and attack the BJP.
Do you feel that the way he has been criticizing the BJP party, talking about formation of regional force, then Bandari Samaj Munda he fought BJP ko hai vote karchana, all these things, it can be a new force for assembly elections?
It could. There's no question of it could. But Kizala, if you go to check the history, I don't like to talk about Samajas, but nothing has really translated into votes for so many years. They're not really translated into votes. For example, Ame Congress Party che votes jo gala bhai. So Bhitori Opak, Amge plan jo baja. It can't be that we have to see what others are doing. No. The party has to look into these things and work in this direction. If the party works in this direction, I don't think there is a big problem. If at all, if the directions are right, and if most important, right people have to do.
And if Kiran really goes forward with all his plans, can it change the next assembly elections results?
I cannot say. I would not like to comment on this, but because sure, next 2020 there is a people's government. There is a wave for a people's government. But wave mulata biste end up as they could not just pop up and sit down at home and no on the ground. Next government पर जाता थे तो ताम यहाँ ही ground आगामी was for EDI, provided that there is a right direction to the party. No problem.
For your party, there is no right direction at the moment?
I don't want to comment on it. I study only two people left, so I just don't want to comment on what the party is doing. I just said I am clear, I am focused, I am not going into what they are doing. Right? If there is a proper direction and proper people are there, then it's going to be a lot of splinter groups coming up, which will be bad for democracy for next time, bad for governance next time.